Getting ready for your beach day? Let's put the wagon together. The beach wagon comes with a total of 4 wheels and the stroller frame for easy assembly. First, insert all wheels in until you hear a locking sound. Now, expand the wagon frame to the end. Then, insert the door plugs onto the frame to set the door in place. Pull up the other door and make sure to lock both doors to secure them. Insert the canopy plug into the side pocket. Then, zip up the zipper all the way. Press down to release the handbrake. Then you can stroll around with your lovely pets and your kids. Done with your walk? Unzip the canopy zipper first, then unplug it. Unplug the safety tethers, then carefully move your pets to a safe place. There are 2 safety tethers included. Unlock the door and push it down towards the center. Unplug the other door and place it in the center. Fold up the wagon frame with the handle. Fasten the buckle for the handle. Pull the lock to release all 4 wheels. Then you can pack the wagon onto your car and be on your way home.